Welcome to the channel for the ones that have not been here before. Just giving you guys a little heads up. This is not going to be a very nice video. So if you don't like to hear people complain, then I'd step off a minute. Alright. I'm fixing to take and get some things straight, okay? You guys know I told y'all I do not like gossip. I don't like all that crap. I don't like doing rant videos. I don't like none of it, okay? I know everybody says, oh, you gotta have thick skin to be on YouTube. Well, I'm just gonna say this. And I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Number one, there's the beds. Here's where we've been spreading stuff out. Okay? We got the thing down. We just had some rain. We gotta clear all this here out, okay? Yes, I know there is grass. Yes, I know there is stuff everywhere. But when I get through getting all this here fixed and getting my high tunnel, yes, I do have my high tunnel ordered. Got it ordered today. And they plainly said that my high tunnel would be here within 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. That gives me plenty of time to take and finish getting all this here cleaned up and get my chicken run area clean, take the fence up, redo, remove my gate over here because it's going to be only one access in. I got told that my gate, okay, that I made temporarily looked like crap. Well, guess what? The crap may be mine. I'm repurposing what I have, and for you people to get on here and take and judge me and tell me, oh, you're not a gardener, you're a grass grower. Yeah, there's grass. Yeah, there's grass. Yeah, there is. Yeah, we're clearing all this here out. I post on here and let you guys see step by step of what I'm doing on my channel. Okay? Do you want me to get on here and show you where everything is perfect? Everything is organized. I don't have grass growing. If you are a gardener, you're gonna have grass. I don't give a crap who you are. You gonna get out there and you gonna pull that grass up before you get on in video, okay? I don't care who you are. You're gonna have grass. And it's called work getting out here to get all the grass. But let me tell you something. I am 52, fixing to be 53 years old. And for me to get out here in the heat that we have had, you guys wanting me in the hospital? I'm showing you what my journey is, what I go through, what every gardener goes through. I am by no means perfect and don't call myself perfect in any kind of way. I'm not perfect. If you ain't God, you ain't perfect. Plain and simple. But I was gonna do a live tonight, and I was just politely gonna get on here and speak my mind. I go on other people's channels. A lot of times when they're live, sometimes I don't even comment, okay? I just watch. Because I like watching people, listening to people. And a lot of people are not having the hot temperatures as we're having. But everybody wants to judge everybody. You guys, this channel is for people to get on here and learn something. Like, I had some emails. First time gardeners wanted to know about their pepper plants. Their peppers were turning yellow. Well, I plainly said, have you started fertilizing your peppers? They said, no, I didn't know I had to. That's what we're on here for. We're on here to help each other, okay? If I run into someone asking a question that I do not know, I'm going to find that question out. The answer, I'm going to find out. I'm going to get on here. I'm going to find out the answer to help you out. If I can't, I'm going to send you to another channel that knows more than what I do. I've been working in a garden ever since I was little. I helped my dad plant garden. Help pick the stuff out of the garden. Help my mom put the stuff up. People need to stop taking and judging people. It's too much going on in the world, and we all need to come together and help each other out. Don't take and get on here and tell people, oh, you're just a grass grower, you're not a gardener. Did you see my garden last year? This year has been really hard on a lot of people, okay? And the temperature, the gas prices, getting fertilized, getting all this stuff, and trying to do your own fertilize, getting your own compost from your own chickens, making your own compost tea. People don't realize that we try to take and save as much money as we can and try to grow something, okay? I don't care if it's you taking in first time gardener. If you're out there and you say, well, I only planted one tomato plant, and that tomato plant looks awful, but guess what? I got that tomato. I got a tomato. Be proud of yourself that you got that tomato, because a lot of people would love to have that tomato. Be happy with what you can do. Be happy if you are only a flower grower. If you can only grow flowers, take that and go further. Don't let people tell you what you can and can't do, because flowers is a start. I know there are some flowers that you can eat and some you can't. Say you want to grow mint. Ain't no problem growing mint. Put it somewhere. Make sure you got it confined in one area, because it will take over, okay? You guys know, I think I had 2 plants. One regular mint and one spearmint. And look, this is gone crazy, okay? Like if you want to grow a gourd. Oh, my gourd gone. Oh, there it is. My lopa, I mean. You got it right there. Be happy with what you can grow. And people stop putting people down because, hey, we got some grass in here. When you have the hot temperatures as we do, and you get to where it's hard to get down and pull the grass out, and you're trying to make yourself better, having a high tunnel, have the beds up higher where that way you can grab what you got to grab. Worry about your fruit that you're growing instead of getting on here telling people, well, you growing grass. You growing grass. You're a grass grower. See, I could have been one of those people that show you perfect dirt, show you perfect soil, and not that. But I show you the real me and what the real gardeners are going through. Yes, we're all going through bugs. Yes, we're all going through, a lot of us through this heat wave. Yes, we're all dealing with high gas prices. Yes, we're all dealing with what we can and can't find in the stores. Be happy, guys, that you can grow that tomato. No matter what the size is. Be happy. I love you guys. I'm sorry, but you know, I'm tired of being picked on by people that don't understand when you are trying to show people what you do know and what you like to do, but then you got these people over here trying to put you down and tell you you don't know what you're doing. You're only growing grass. Well, I growed that apple tree. I planted that apple tree. I planted that peach tree. I planted that stuff over there. Wasn't a hummingbird. I planted all that. I did. I worked hard. I winded up with a whole lot of tomatoes that I put up. Some of them might have been about this size, but hey, guess what? I got to put that tomato up. I growed these. I planted these flowers. I'm happy with what I did. I'm not on here to take and make people think, oh, I'm better than you. No, I'm not better than anybody else out there. You guys can do your own growing of flowers, growing of food. Don't give up. Don't let nobody put you down. Only person has that right is the good Lord. And if they ain't the good Lord, they have no right. The haters, I was gonna block, but I didn't block. The reason is because I want them to understand that you take and you do what you can. Don't take and get on here and put people down. God bless you all.